Hello everyone, dealing with a skipping Victorola record player. In this video, I'll share a quick and easy fixes to keep your music playing smoothly. Let's get started. Adjust the counterweight, or if the tracking force cannot be adjusted, place a quarter and a penny on the needle arm to add weight. Lubricate the mechanism and turn arm to ensure that the arm is moving freely. Make sure you are playing 78 RPM shellac records. For vintage Victorola record players, vinyl records will be damaged. Try using a new needle every time you play a record. Ensure the brake is fully disengaged. Why Victorola record player keeps skipping? Playing modern vinyl record on a vintage players designed for 78 RPM shellac records, forgetting to disengage the brake on vintage wind up models, preventing the platter from spinning freely. A torn arm that is not heavy enough to keep the needle in contact with the groove of the record. Issue with the stylus needle or torn arm mechanism. Fix 1. Adjust tracking force. If your model allows, carefully adjust the counterweight to apply slightly more pressure. A range of 1.7 to 1.8 grams is a good starting point, but always stay within the cartridge suggested range. Fix 2. Maintaining the right speed knob. For vintage model, adjust the silver dial usually at the 7 o'clock position to fine-tune the speed. For modern models, use the speed knob to select the correct speed like 33, 1 by 345 or 78 RPM for your record. The correct speed settings ensure the motor spins the platter at the speed needed for the record. Fix 3. Release the brake. Only for vintage wind-up Victorola phonographs, find the start or stop lever, usually silver, near the platter. Move the lever to the start position. If equipped, ensure it is positioned correctly. If it is hard to wind, release the brake to avoid damaging the spring. This machine only plays shellac 78 RPM records, and you have to replace the needle after every play. Fix 4. Replace the stylus. If the skipping continue, the stylus might be defective even on a new unit. Replacing the stylus is a simple solution. Locate the stylus housing at the end of the turn arm. Gently remove the old stylus, usually by pulling it straight out or following the specific instructions for your model. Align and insert the new stylus, pressing it in until it clicks or sits securely in place. Fix 5. Check for lubricant mechanism. Proper lubrication of the turn arm's internal pivot points reduces friction and wear, improving tracking and preventing skipping or sticking during playback. Carefully remove the motor board or access panel to reach the turn arm's pivot point and internal parts. Use a small amount of high quality grease or oil on the turn arm pivot points and the bottom pin where the turn arm moves. Ensure the turn arm moves freely without resistance after assembling the components. Fix 6. Use the correct record and needle. Only for vintage wind up Victorola phonographs, only play 78 RPM shellac records on vintage wind up Victorola. Using modern vinyl records can damage both the record and the machine. Replace the steel needle after every play to avoid damage to records and the sandbox. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.